Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Achievers. I am Junaid and I am back with another video that is on the Italy scholarship which is offered by the University of Parma, Italy. This university scholarship has a 120 fully funded scholarship, PhD scholarship, which include almost all the disciplines. And the best thing is that this don't require any GRE or IELTS, no any application fee, and the deadline is 4th September. Means almost you have 25 days to prepare yourself or prepare your application. So please watch this video till the end. If you want to apply in this scholarship, you will get a lot of information on how to apply and what are the required documents and what are the benefits of the scholarship. So let's start it. See, upper Italy in 18 different disciplines with a full scholarship for international students. There is a no application fee, no specific language requirement for the Italy Scholarship 2021 at the University of Parma. Students from the many disciplinary courses are interested in research can apply for the PhD scholarship in Italy for the 2021 year. The University of Parma is a university in Parma, Italy. Yes, it is a city of Italy, and it is organized into the 9 departments. But now it is leading with the multiple disciplines in research with vast research areas and national and international students. It is full of skilled and professional researchers, professors, and research facilities. So this is was a little bit introduction. If you guys want to see the official announcement, you can click on this link. I will provide this in your description box. You can go to check the official announcement and for further requirements. So what is the brief description here? University or organization, the scholarship is offered by the University of Parma under the Italy government scholarship department. There are 18 different departments with different research areas. You will see in this video and in detail. Course level only PhD is offered in this scholarship. Award is fully funded. Apply mode is online. Number of awards 120 awards. Nationality all international students from the world apply. The world award can be taken in the Italy, yes, at the University of Parma, and the deadline, the most important, is the 4th September 2022. Apply. So what is the eligibility criteria for this scholarship? Applicants from any nationality can apply for this scholarship. A student must have a master's MPhil 18-year degree education at the time of the application for PhD degree at the University of Parma at Italy. Applicant must be research oriented and willing to work under the research group. A student must have the record of the conduct performance, must have a research, leadership, and management skills. There is a no specific grades, means there is no minimum requirement of the CGPA or the percentage, and the age limit required. Language requirement: students are encouraged to demonstrate the English proficiency and through document interviews etc, because medium of the study and the research will be in English. So in this scholarship there is no need of any IELTS or Duolingo English test. You can apply on the basis of uh, English proficiency certificate, which will be up you can obtain from the your last attended institute. So there is no any application fee for this scholarship. So what are the courses, what are the disciplines they are offering for the PhD? So we are going to check this. The University of Parma, Italy has announced PhD scholarship, yeah, and 18 different research groups and collaboration of the Italian and other international universities. A student can apply in one of the interested following research areas for the PhD degree. So it is clear that you can apply for only one program. So what are the programs they are offering? The PhD in biotechnology or bioscience, PhD in physics, PhD in civil engineering and architecture, PhD in industrial engineering, PhD in mathematics, PhD in molecular medicine, PhD in neuroscience, PhD in physiology, psychology, PhD in master science and technology, PhD in chemical science, PhD in food science, drug science and earth science, and PhD in philological, literary, historical, philosophical and artistic science, PhD in transitional medical and surgical science, and a PhD in veterinary, PhD in information technology. So these are the departments, are the areas in which they are offering PhD scholarship. I have provided all the links here. You can see in your description box. If you want to apply, you can directly click on this link to directly go for going to the official page. If, for example, if you want to go apply in the chemical sciences, you can click on the link and in the description box. It will take you to the official application page of the chemical sciences. So these links are very helpful. You can find it in the description form box. So what is how to apply? Interested and eligible candidates are encouraged to apply for the PhD scholarship in Italy. There are no separate application for the scholarship. You can apply for the admission and your application will be automatically considered for the scholarship in Italy. So for admission, I provide these links. You can directly apply for admission and these by clicking on the one of the link in which you want to apply directly. So what are the documents required? You must have a professional CV or resume, educational documents, copy of passport at the time of application, statement of purpose, study plan, research proposal, and other supporting document if you want to provide that you think it will help you in the taking this scholarship or hunting this scholarship. A scholarship in Italy are fully funded, which cover total expenses of the international student to live and study in Italy. These are the benefits. You can find out all these details, further details on the official link of the announcement which I mentioned here. For official announcement, you can see click on here and find out further details for this scholarships. So this was the little bit about the scholarship and about the University of Parma in Italy. So if you guys like my video, kindly do subscribe my channel and please share this video with your friends. And if you have any queries or questions, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.